Have you ever stared at a spinning electric fan and wondered, how does something this simple keep us cool all summer? Why do the blades tilt like airplane wings? What's inside that motor housing that never seems to quit? Today, we're cracking open one of the smartest, simple machines in your home, the electric fan. Stick around. You'll be amazed how a few clever engineering choices generate all that cool breeze. Let's crack it open. The outside, what you can see. First, the grill, a protective barrier so fingers stay safe and so your cat doesn't attack the spinning blades. Remove blades. Now, the star of the show, the fan blades. They're curved like tiny airplane wings. That curve pulls air from behind and pushes it forward. Faster spin equals stronger airflow. Angle too steep, motor overheats. Too flat, breeze becomes a meh whisper. Then we have the oscillation switch. Push it down, the fan sweeps across the room. Pull it up, all the airflow aims straight at you, refreshing your sweaty existence. Smart motor magic. Here's where the real genius hides. The AC induction motor. Simple, cheap to make, nearly impossible to destroy. These motors last years, sometimes decades. Why? Because they don't rely on brushes that wear out. No friction inside the spinning coil system. Inside this motor, stator, coils that stay still and create a spinning magnetic field. Rotor, the part that turns. Shaft, moves the blades. Bearings, bushings, reduce friction so your fan doesn't scream like a dying robot. The motor uses magnetism, not gears or belts. Plug into the wall, electricity flows, magnetic forces spin the rotor, and boom, breeze. Oscillation gearbox, the tiny muscle. Ever wonder how a fan turns side to side? There's a mini gearbox right here. This small motor piggybacks off the main motor, spinning a shaft that drives gears. One gear slows things down, another one redirects the motion. Until, like a slow mechanical dance, the entire head of the fan sweeps the room. One of the smallest and cheapest parts of the fan provides one of the most useful functions. Speed control switch. Next, the speed selector. Low, medium, high. How does one motor make different speeds? With a capacitor, and sometimes different tap points on the coil. The capacitor adjusts electrical phase timing. Slower timing equals slower blade rotation. Faster timing equals turbo mode. And just like that, speed control without digital screens, processors, or apps. Smart, efficient, reliable. Why fans are better than AC? Fans don't cool air at all. They cool you by evaporating moisture from your skin. That's why fans feel heavenly on a hot day. They use up to 50 times less power than air conditioners, which also means saving money on energy bills. Sometimes, simple truly is superior. And there you have it, a simple household fan, but packed with clever engineering that keeps us comfortable every day. Which appliance should we tear down next? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed discovering what's inside, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves learning how everyday tech works. Thanks for watching. Stay cool.